Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Happy birthday to uNkosingphile Ngcobo bafowethu. Umfana wafika laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs emncane from i-development e-Kaizer Chiefs wakhulela khona up until wafika laphana ku-first team. Iy'nyawo zakhe ziyamkhulumela umfana. Abantu abaningi bambiza noma bathi football brains because of iphasi yakhe ne-precision. Nanokuthi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs kuze afike laphana phezulu. It took i-patience. Obviously ne-passion beyibaluleke kakhulu ukuthi you have to love the beautiful game. Siyazi-ke ukuthi kube ney'nkinga ku-Kaizer Chiefs la kubonakala ngathi ustakile umfana ku-career yakhe aka-evolve kakhulu, but-ke nama-injuries bafowethu ayam-affect-e kakhulu umfana. So uzalwe, he was born ngeyi-16 November at the heart of KZN if I'm not mistaken, ne? Yeah. From emncane laphana umfana bekathandela ibhola. Uthando belilikhulu and he was gifted. He soon stood out from the rest of ama-players or iy'ntanga zakhe. Bekubonakala ukuthi okay, there's something about this boy. Akathethi noma ngithi akabanga umsindo, is not the biggest in terms of umzimba, but-ke ibhola malifika ey'nyaweni zakhe isikhathi esiningi ulitrapha kahle, ucontrola kahle. Ama-touches wakhe are-good ngempela. I think into o-coach abayibonayo ukuthi okay, uletha i-balance laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs in terms of ukuphasa, i-passing range yakhe. Left-footed midfielder bafowethu, so is very good. So ukujoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs i-academy, I mean obviously for yena it was not just i-sport but bokuyilokhu njani, bokuyi-opportunity ukuthi azibonakalise, aziprove. Into a-good kakhulu ngayo bafethu i-technique. Yabona i-technique u-good, i-composure, obviously ne-awareness yakhe lapha inside the field of play. Nokumbona before abambe ibhola askene, khona lento le kuthiwa uskena bafethu, ubheke before receive ibhola sowubhekile ukuthi uzoliphasa kuphi ibhola. Unokuyenza leyo nto leyo, but-ke akekho that quick bafethu. Ama-turns wakhe might turn quick like in terms of first touch, but-ke he's bit slow compared to amanye ama-players, or ube slow melo kakhulu because ugeyinile than lo mfana lo esaqala ukumbona when he was introduced laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But kunama one touch combinations wakhe, i-calmness yakhe under pressure. Angikaze ngambona ngathi usenkingeni kakhulu, no. Ubonakala ngathi uzirelaxela umfana laphana egrawundini. He can always get better, evolve obviously. Akagijimi nebhola kakhulu, but-ke nje ama-passes wakhe lawa amsizayo. Kwa-academy ye-Kaizer Chiefs bakholelwe kuyena vele, nama-teammates wakhe bawamthemba laphana, and slowly but surely-ke he became one of the biggest stars laphana is it DDC? Yes, DStv Diski Challenge noma ngithi Diski Challenge. Step into like i-professional football game kula sibona khona ukuthi okay, there's something about the boy. I remember after promotion yakhe ukuthi ibhasi beyi-serious kangakanani ukuthi is the future of i-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke throughout the years i-career yakhe njengoba bengishilo mengivula ukuthi ike yaba-stuck. Uthando lukhona, bayamthanda abantu, babona i-hope obvious around yena, but indlela yakhe ibe difficult-ke because of there are moments la fighter khona for i-game time, so bekumele a-adapte to i-physicality of i-football lase-South Africa ukuthi kunzima phela akukho lula. At the same time bekumele a-survive under pressure, nanokuthi ama-fans azokujikela kwesinye isikhathi nama-expectations walaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ibhola alikho lula bafethu ku-Kaizer Chiefs, kunzima kakhulu. Lonke iphasi bayalijaja, i-mistake yakho ayivele ibe nkulu kakhulu ngoba uvele utrend the same time. So every performance, ama-performance amaningi abonwa aba-millions and millions abantu. But-ke uNgcobo, what we can appreciate about yena ukuthi-ke he kept his cool man kuyo yonke lento le, and uhambule, uyazisebenzela kanzima umfana, uyambona ukuthi u-right. But menikwa ama-opportunities where izinto zitshentsha. I think there was a time la dlala nabo Nokovic namanye ama-players are-good laphana, izinto okhama Billiat. Ama-fans-ke they started gravitating more towards yena, but and expected more. Obviously they had more and more expectations from umfana. At times bekubonakala ngathi he was not able to carry out lawo ma-expectations, or bawamsinda kakhulu ama-expectations, but sekusike sambona ngama-goals, ngama-assist, beating one player lapho nalapho. I-flair akanayo that much, but-ke khona la i-decision making yakhe iba-proper. Yeah, akasase is no longer a promising young star bafethu. To be fair, bekumele ngabe sekakude like igame yakhe zikhule to an extent la nathi siyabona ukuthi is untouchable, but-ke ama-injuries nezinye izinto zimstopile bafowethu ukuthi obvious a-elevate igame yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Khona nalaba abantu bebathi hhayi ugain weight noma uyivila zonke lezi zinto lezo, but is able to soldier on even nala angatholi khona i-game time, but is able to soldier on and be patient. Aloke ebhilivile ukuthi i-opportunity for yena izofika. So unalento le ama-players amaningi anganayo bafowethu, patience. Cause once umuntu angadlali for isikhashana ayuthi ayena sekafuna ukuhamba ethimini setshela i-management ungcono bemdedele, but akakaza kusho lokho, akakaza aba-influenced by outside world. And what we can celebrate about him bafowethu ukuthi uwubaba, uyi-husband, unomfazi umfana laphana, kudlalwa discipline bafowethu, into ama-players amaningi futhi anganayo ayilekayo ngoba asina direction. Ama-soccer players akaze acomplaina laphana noma angathola ama-game time, but is loyal to the badge. Uyayithemba ngempela i-process ukuthi izinto zizo-change for yena. This season-ke it marks a different journey for yena, ukuthi aziprove ukuthi next season bemgcine laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs because contract yakhe yaphela. But mengikhuluma ngayo ngihlezi ngimention ukuthi kune-clause ethi bangayirenewa. If sikhuluma ngomuntu professional on a clean image, bafowethu umshini uspecial ngempela. So izinto ezibalulekile for yena, I think football brains le bengisho ekuqaleni, football intelligence, ama-passes wakhe kuyabonakala ukuthi udevelope ku-system e-right ku-Kaizer Chiefs. First touch yakhe akatatazeli njalo, is calm under pressure noma kuthiwa kukhona abantu abakunzima ukuthi baseklile egamini, but yena akawabonisi leyo ma-struggle. Yes, ama-performances wakhe they're not always good, but-ke even naku-birthday yakhe, on his birthday inside the field of play, but he will still give you, well, a not below pair performance, but like let's say a 6. He'll give you a 6 on his birthday. Igama elithi birthday kubonakala ngathi ngithi happy birthday, is just on his birthday, kusho ukuthi ilanga elingekho lihle for yena. So abantu ama-fans, we know ukuthi ama-fans akhuluma ngama-emotions bafowethu. A-youth graduate laphana noma ubuya ku-academy yaku-Kaizer Chiefs is one of the few one of the many successful stories, like mawubheka oVilakazi, ubheke oShabalala, even uKwinika nawadevelopha i-Chiefs baningi abanye they're coming after yena mfana. Nabo-ke bazoba inspired ukuthi okay, if one of us angafika le phezulu nabo bangafika. But i-personality yakhe bafethu off the field, njengoba bengishilo ukuthi awumfana ohlonipha kakhulu, humble, quiet umfana, akalandeleli idrama yokuthi uyatrenda whatever, akana drama, akunaniksi, ufocusa nje ebholeni kuphela ukuthi ibhola limkhulumele. Okunye okuzayo from third parties or media, hayi akaku-entertain umfana, is just focus. Abantu into abayithanda kakhulu kuye bafethu i-discipline. Mawubheka umuntu oyi-family man njengaye, abantu bayakwazi ukubuilda, ukumhlonipha nabo, ukumodela iy'mpilo zakhe around umuntu abamhloniphayo nomuntu abambonile phambi kwabo ukuthi okay, this one is a good role model. So he's a good role model to the kids, or for the kids. I mean, obviously Kaizer Chiefs ifuna ukubuilda i-team for the future, and as a 26-year-old, angadlala for the next 6-7 years laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, if we make it that far, because every season kusayina ama-play and kubonakala ngathi at times abafana let's say laba abanye ngeke badlale, but-ke bayakwazi ukubhalansa i-youth because of mawubheka i-identity ye-Kaizer Chiefs, i-success yabo nje ibuya laphana ku-youth bafowethu, to be fair, but-ke kumele bayimixe nama-senior players, ama-proven winners, and then bakwazi-ke ukuphumelela. Creativity, ispark esi-serious esikhona kumfana, super creative. This season sizobona ukuthi uzocontribute kangakanani, how many games, and then uzoshaya ama-assist angakanani, akwazi ukudlala kahle kakhulu nama-forwards walaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, Silva, Igatara, Mayo, even ama-winger laphana, Lilepo, Velebayi, Shabalala, Shabalala laphana phambi kwakhe kancane, omodi when they are given opportunities to play. But yeah, njengoba okay babuyile barepotile ejimini because kumele batravel baye e-Egypt, but um sobona ukuthi umfethu uzodlala amagame angakanani. Cela ukuyibamba lana sengiyakhathala, sengiyazizwa ukuthi ngisho izinto ey'ngekho-ke manje. Happy birthday Nkosi Ngiphile Ngcobo, uNkulunkulu akubusise, qhubeke u-inspire millions around the country.